Okay, Zanu, today we will learn about the trigger moment. What? Trigger moment is what? You know, the triggering in the batsman with the triggering, because you are facing very fast balls. You know, the bowler has a lot of speed. So at that moment, if you are stay like this, right, you will not get time to adjust. There are two things: one is line and one is length. What? Line and length. Length means, is it short ball? Is it over pitch? Is it good length? So you have to judge the length. You have to judge what? And you have to also judge the line. It may be offside, it may be leg side, it may be straight. So line and length. When the bowler is very fast, it's very tough to judge the line and length, right? So what do you do in that case? We do the trigger moment to have that momentum, right? You watch Babar Azam or Virat Kohli, okay? They will tell you exactly how to do the trigger moment. Now for the trigger moment, we need stay there. For the trigger moment, we need two things. What? One, it should be repeatable. You can repeat that. For example, if I do trigger mode like this, so I can do it repeatable, okay? And it should be consistent. It should be what? So it has to be part of your stance. So whenever you play, you have to be consistent with that. You can't do one time one trigger moment, other time other trigger moment. The trigger moments can be of many types. Why we do trigger moment is because we want to stay ready to hit the ball, to judge that line and length. Okay? To judge line and that's what we do trigger moment, right? If you see the batsman like AB de Villiers, when he stays, he do like this. Okay? If you see Virat Kohli, the Babar Azam, they do what? This is horizontal off spin. They stay like this. They go a little bit of back. Okay? They put it in the middle spin, small put, and then they get ready. There are two stages in it. One is the trigger, another is set. And this is what? So when you do trigger, when you do set, there are two things: trigger and set. थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ, वहाँ से शोर आ रहा है. When we do trigger and when we do set, there are two things: trigger and set. When bowler starts bowling, he raises his left arm. At that moment, you do the trigger, and when he bowls actually, when he throws the ball, you are in a set position. Then you play. See. Firstly, we take our stance, whatever stance you have, okay? Now, you do trigger like this. You go a little bit back. You will do what? Towards the middle step. Okay? Now you are ready to play. Now, when the bowler raising the left hand is about to bowl, you do trigger so that you are ready. Now you go in a set position. This is a set. In set position, I am ready to take the ball, but it should be stable. My head should be stable. It should not be this way. It has to be stable with the shoulders. Okay? So I am taking the stance. I do the trigger when it's about to ball. Then I go to set state. Okay? Now you don't have to do early. Say abhi bowler chal hi raha hai, dod hi raha hai, and you trigger. Then again you are stuck. You don't have to do that. Okay? When you will do trigger is when the bowler is about to bowl. Okay? He is about to bowl, you do trigger. Okay? Now you are in a set position. Now, firstly you have normal stance. This is your normal stance, right? Stay like that, normal stance. Head, shoulder in a one line. Legs in a one line. Width, shoulder width. Okay? Back lift towards the first lift. Okay? Towards first lift, back lift, right? Look here, pay attention. Back lift towards this, then you are staying in your stance. Now when the bowler is about to bowl, you trigger and you go to the set position. Then you judge the line and length. You judge what? When you judge line and length, accordingly, you can go if the short length, you go back foot and you judge the line. If it is away, you cut, you punch, whatever. And if it is this side, you flick, you glance, right? Or if the ball is coming up. Okay? You do trigger, you set, the ball is coming up, you take the foot out and you drive. Right? Understand? Okay. Now you have to stay on the ball of the foot. The ball of the foot. You have to stay what? Ball of the foot means this one. This portion of the feet. Okay? इसमें एक चीज आपको याद रखनी है कि जिस फुट पे आपने पाँव रखा फिर देन यू कांट यूज इट, इट्स लॉक्ड। अगर आपका वजन इस फुट पे है यू कांट मूव। ओके, अगर आपका वजन इस फुट पे है देन दिस लेग इज फ्री, you can move towards the ball, right? So it's important that when you do trigger, you take small step and stay on the ball of the foot, so that if the ball comes short, you go back on the foot, because now this foot is free to move. You go back and you go back to short. Or if it's a front foot, you take the foot out and you drive. Got it? Show me the trigger moment now. You got the points? Show the triggering, how we trigger. First stance, proper stance. Yeah. Baller is on this side, camera. Say it's a back foot. Do the trigger. You go towards the middle screen, yeah. You go actually towards the middle screen, right? And it has to be consistent. Two things. Trigger has to be consistent and repeatable. You have to make part of it, right? So like this, pull a little bit there. Now this is on the foot, okay? Small step, not big step. If it is big step, then I'm stuck. And I can't move further. It has to be back, trigger, and set. Okay? Now you are ready to now you're ready to play. Got it? So today we learned what? The trigger and set. Trigger and you also learn कि जिस फुट पे आपने वजन रखा, only faces, we need only faces. जिस फुट पे आपने वजन रखा वो फुट मूव नहीं होगा, वो लॉक हो गया। ठीक है ना? अगर मेरा फुट पहले फुट पे वजन है आई कांट मूव इट। ये लेफ्ट फुट देखो, अगर मेरे इस फुट पे वजन है ये फुट फ्री है, आई कैन मूव इट, है ना? अगर इस फुट पे वजन है सो दिस फुट आई कैन मूव इट, राइट? So that is why when you go, you took small step. If you see Virat Kohli, he does like this. See, he go, tap, then he do this, he trigger, and he opens up little bit leg. He stays like this, see, like this, and then he plays the shots. Then you have to actually judge the line and length. This is very important. You judge line and length. What do you do? Come here. Listen. You judge line and length. That's the one thing. Second thing, what makes the great batsman and not a great batsman is you are coming in a good position to hit the ball. यानी कि ball back foot पे आई, you are in a very good position to hit it, for example. But if you are late, you will edge it, you are not a good batsman. So whatever shot you play, the power in the shot comes, what's called a timing, it comes by the stability. It comes by the stability of the body. So there is a biomechanics. It's what? That you have to see that I have to come early to the position. I have to judge line and length. I have to judge what? And my body is to be stable. And I have come, say for example, I have not pulled. I want to what? If the ball comes and I'm late, so it's going to bump up. So that means if I have to pull, if I have to what? I have to come early to that position so that I can pull it, right? So it's important what? So it's important the biomechanics, that you are coming early to the shot. So you're anticipating, oh bro, it is for example short pitch, right? So I go, I trigger, I judge it's a short pitch, I go on a back foot, I'm in a good position to hit it. Now it's a 6. But if I'm late to it, it will be big on me. So that makes the great batsman and not a great batsman. So you have to understand the biomechanics, you have to understand the stability. To hit a 6, you don't need a power, right? See, there are two batsmen. One, when I hit 6, he just whacks it. Another guy, he just gracefully picks little bit of, little bit of this wrist, and a little bit of timing, it flies. So the great batsman does what? He works on the biomechanics. Understand? So that's all for today. See you in the next video.